Alright guys, we're finally getting a fridge. We've been living here for like about a week and we haven't had a fridge, so we had to eat ramen noodles and I got diarrhea every day.
Bro, I just want a fridge.
We've been trying to get a fridge. It's been a battle to get this fridge. We showed up at people's houses and couldn't cut their water line. And then once we cut their water line, after 30 minutes, we could get the fridge outside their kitchen. People have been saying, why did you move to Dallas? Well, heard Dallas is popping. People are nice. People are so nice. You go and buy something and the cashier is like, hey, how's your day? What's going on? And I'm like, oh, my day's going good. Also, another reason is I moved in with 3 other people and Dallas is a good middle ground for everyone because, you know, LA would have been pretty expensive and Malloy's door is stuck.
Is that why you always make that sound?
Yes.
I just think you're angry.
You have to break it like the Hulk.
Oh my goodness.
It gets stuck and I have to yank it.
For a caffeine addiction.
Bro, is that a white monster?
It's a white monster.
It's really good.
Really good for your sugar. Avocado, taurine, 4x4, 12x4, 17x7.
That's a white monster. First time at Home Depot?
First time at Home Depot?
No. Second?
10th time.
10 times. Now.
Give me the biggest 12x4 you got. Alright, yo, we gonna pick up some strippers.
Hey, it's on you, man.
We got it for the
Hey,
many goes we stay here. 1, 2, 3,
y'all got it for 2 hours.
Alright.
Whatever y'all.
Alright, I drove U-Haul, I can drive a truck.
Y'all, you didn't see it, but we were about to be over here. We want to get over there. Tell my mom I love her. I love you, mama.
Because we just made it to the house with the fridge, and we got to dolly a fridge for the first time. I've never dollied anything in my life before. That is the fridge. These are my helpers today. There's a big step right here, big step. So I'm trying to figure out how to get it down the steps, but then after that, smooth sailing.
You good, Ken? Yeah. This one's kind of hard, bro. Alright. Which way we go?
Ready? Yeah.
You're good. You want me to push, Ken? Yeah. We got food.
Please move the fridge aside. It was kind of hard.
Bro, please. I want some food.
But it worked for the food.
It was fun memories though.
We just freaking picked up a fridge and a truck thingy all by ourselves. First time.
Can
we
you
did
record by the
it.
fan over here so it's more majestic?
We just picked up the fan. We just picked up the refrigerator and we're dropping off the truck.
Yeah.
After a long day of working hard, you know where the boys go. Home Depot, where you can find all your tools and all your tools. If you need some wood, they got the wood. If you need more wood, they got the wood. Give me the biggest 4x4 you got.
After a long day of being men, we're going to the grocery store because we have a refrigerator. And there's no Publix here. I'm a Florida boy. We usually go to Publix. In California, there's Ralph's. So I guess here is Winco. So lately, guys, I've been on a coconut water binge. Some people say it tastes like socks, and I can kind of agree with that, but it's good socks. They got coconut with pulp. Jason loves coconut with pulp, so we're gonna get that. We found the kimchi that we like. Because I'm very picky with kimchi, because some of them are too sour, some of them suck ass. This one's really good. This brand's really good. Alright, loaded up the car. That should be good for a couple days. I don't have a car out here, so I just gotta utilize whenever the boys go. We thought they didn't have Takis. They have Takis. They're vegan. I got food, guys. I've been out here with no food, no fridge. I got food. Let's go! We made it home. Now I got to put all my stuff in the refrigerator that we just got. Wow. So let's put stuff in the fridge. My camera died, but the fridge is all stocked, you know? You know? You know? Cash App is vidken. Please something. You know, got the blueberries, got the kimchi, vegan sausage, tofu, bell peppers, onions, chili garlic sauce. If you know, you know. One day at a time, as my good friend Steven says, one day at a time. One day I will have a fridge full of food, but for now, where can we get? Let me get a like for the fridge. We finally got a fridge. Let's go. Next thing, washer and dryer, which would be right here. And we can have clean clothes. I've been wearing the same clothes for the past 7 days.
노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이